Hello. Most on-chain games just use contracts to settle results. This one actually runs the game inside the contract. This is Verdictdotfun, a gen layer multiplayer game with on-chain profiles, live rooms, and contract-driven gameplay. First, you enter the arena by connecting your wallet. You add network, and then you create your profile. You sign in. Now you're in. Each game mode is its own contract that speaks directly to a core contract, which is the Verdictdotfun contract itself. It's the admin contract that controls the username, rank XP, and the seasonal updates within the leaderboard. So each contract is speaking directly to the Verdictdotfun contract, the core contract itself. Each mode generates the prompt, both players submit, and the final submission actually revolves on the contract and then sends to the main contract to update. So let's start with create room. So a new player has to join the room. The player 2 joins the room. Then the room owner starts room. Speaks directly to the contract to actually generate the prompt that you're working on. On debate.fun, users are practically debating. There's an opposition, which is mostly given to the player 1, which is the room owner, and then the opposition, which is the player 2. So for now, you see the development of quantum computing will render current encryption method obsolete within the next decade. The player 1 is actually the proposer. So we propose, and then player 2 is the opposer. Now, what's important is every particular movement in this game it's actually on chain. Even something as a zit match, if you click on quit, it's rendering as a forfeiture on the game, and the win is automatically resolved to player 2 as the winner. And automatically the verdict.4 contract resolves and then updates the XP by itself. It reads and then updates the XP automatically from this contract. You create room on redo and you sign it. And then other user just join the room. For redo, it's three guesses per gameplay per round. So you come back here and just the fastest to submit and get the correct answer is the winner of each round. And each gameplay has 3 rounds. The game is actually going to move to the next round. Player 2 should answer this. Okay, player 1 already answered it. The next is so this is the winner. The contract already knows the winner based on its own shared storage, and the winner is given. So the winner is there, and then the Verdictdotfun contract on its own automatically resolves and updates the XP of each winner automatically. Now the Verdictdotfun contract is actually the core contract of the app. It stands as a system source of truth, and it owns the create and own permanent player profiles. It maps one wallet to one profile. It stores profile states like win, losses, XP, rank, and seasonal progress. It keeps the leaderboard state. It registers room and record which mode contract each room belongs to. It decides which game contracts are allowed to report result back to it, and then it forwards room creation into the correct mode contract. It also receives the finalized match results from approved game contracts and updates the leaderboard's profile progression. So it stands for the identity layer, the progression layer, the room registry, and then the trust root for the game contract. So the game contract, like the argued game and then the video game, are just they just run the match logic and then the Gen layer AI consensus. But the Verdictdotfun, it's the fruits of the entire app on Gen layer. So thank you.